Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Our good name is Gary Tech Designer. Thank you for the support that you're still bringing back to our channel. So thank you for the support. I think I've been always talking about, let's say, the subscribers. I think now it's 2,400 and almost 10 or some numbers there. I appreciate that effort so much. For the last 1 week, I've received like almost 20 subscribers. I appreciate. So let's keep with that effort. Please guys, subscribe to my YouTube channel. So here I'm going to give you the update of this particular 2-bedroom house, the house transformation that we have been doing since day one. So we are on molding stage that now I want to show you the outcomes of we have done this. This is the last day of doing molding work, and then let me show you the appearance of this particular molding work. So you can see this is the entrance, and then you can see that is the main gate. So whoever will be coming from that particular main gate will be having a very view of this particular columns and molding. You can see the design that you have went in terms of let's say someone can see it's so simple, but it's something that make your house to look so beautiful when it comes to finishing. So that's why when I'm building a house, I always emphasize on finishing. But even on the structural, whenever we start building, we always emphasize on structural, because that is the main thing that we'll have to carry our house, so that for long span. Even and then after them, the next thing is finishing. Finishing is like after you have done plastering. You can see now after you have done plastering, the next stage that we went with was with the now molding. You can see the molding. You can see this kind of these corners, the way that we have went it. So these corners, I think it is mostly popular in Tanzania. I saw a video on TikTok on some molder in Tanzania, a house in Tanzania, and then I tried to bring it here in Kenya. In terms of let's say finishing or some very good work, Tanzania, I can say it is almost better. But even us, we are so better. We are trying everything in building. We always say that is learning step by step. You can't know everything at once. You can see somewhere something, and then you'll have to try on your end. If it will suit you, you can go. So you can see we went with this particular design of these corners. You can see it has it has bring the look of this particular house. So the paint that you are going to paint here, the entire wall it will be different with the paint that you are going to paint on this particular corners. And then even the one that will be here, it will be the same as the one that we are going to use it on arch, and then the molding work. Or we are or I'm going to do like this. You can see this particular column. This now I'm going to give it to try it on a computer to instruct. Most of the time AI is something that is so you can use it and then it can give you a better result. So I'm going to use an AI to instruct it to do here a dark gray, to give here a white, and then here to give it that dark gray. And then I see the outcome of this particular arch, the columns, the way it will look. If it will be if it will look let's say good, I will have to go it. And then if it will not look good, I'll have to abandon it, and then I'll have to try a new design. So you can see for these columns, we have been for this molding work we have been doing for the past 4 days. So today he has been finishing that particular one, and then there's a sitting room corners that we have went some sitting room on that particular arch of sitting room. We have went with it. So if you are here and then you are saying, how can I get this particular the owners of this particular page? So you can call us through our number. It's 0746289667, 0746289667. You can call us anytime, everywhere. We are readily working 24/7. You can call, you can WhatsApp us. We are so attentive when it comes to a new client, because we will never have to disappoint you. So this is a 2-bedroom house. In terms of let's say properties, is a 2-bedroom house, a sitting room, a kitchen, and 2 toilets are inside. So if you have not yet been if you are first here to see our channel, so I'm going to give you the house tour so that you can see. So here you can see that this is the balcony. You can see our balcony is here, the way is it, and then on this particular end you can see this is now our entrance. There's a walkway here, this is a corridor, and then here this is the design that we have went with on this particular arch. You can see it's so simple, but it will be, whenever we'll be doing painting work, after done everything, you'll have to see the, let's say, those design, and then like now the way it is now, you can't see that beautification, but it has, in terms of look, you can see the way it is. And then you can see this is the sitting room. We have done the modern electrical installation. You can see there's here a socket, there's here TV antenna, there's another socket. You can see we have done wall brackets all over. You can see we have provided an air conditions everywhere, so that because these houses are we are going to do it a very modern way. And then here you can see now here, this is the kitchen. You can see it has, the owner suggested to have a back door, so that you can whenever, let's say you are you have, let's say, like you have, let's say, like maybe that water, if you have only one door on your house, you can't pass it against maybe the sitting room. You can maybe find any, you can be either on the way, you can find any, let's say your visitor can see you, or anything can happen. So that's why we always introduce this particular door, for you to have the privacy for whoever will be using sitting this particular kitchen. And then you can see the setup is here. We're going to do with the how do you call it, this word here, we are going to do with the, not MDF. I will give you the instruction. I'll give you the name later. So we are going to use it there, to do it on this particular setup. And then here you can see now our gypsum is we're going to install this gypsum on our ceiling. So you can see they're here for readily to started tomorrow. You can see there's cornice there. So this is bedroom 1, and then here we have got our public toilet. And then here, this is the master bedroom. You can see it's a master ensuite. Its own toilet is just on this particular end. So guys, I think up to there I will stop this video, and then tomorrow I'm going to give you, we are going to start the roof, the gypsum work. So I'm going to give you the video when we have started the day 1 of installing our gypsum ceiling on this particular house. So we are going to do it flat, and then later, when if our client will be so well enough, he will put the designs at the end of the day. So let's meet tomorrow, God willing, and then make sure you have like, share, and you have subscribed to my YouTube channel. So you can reach us through 0746289667.